SSL certificates because it encrypts data on the internet to give it a more secure browsing.
I would always try to refresh passwords if possible and use a password manager, something that you can have on multiple devices. It's easier to actually use them rather than having to remember all of them, and quite a lot of the time they'll also do auto change. They can actually log into those sites and change them for you.
Simplest one would be use multi-factor authentication wherever you can. Just means even if your password gets hacked or something like that, they still need a code from your phone or another device. So it's just another level of security.
Be very wary of any email that comes in.
Okay,
even if it looks genuine, just those few seconds extra caution could save you from a whole lot of trouble.
And how do you check whether it's genuine?
You can check the address, you could check the tone of the email. Is it trying to get you to do something urgently, trying to play on those emotions, build that fear to get you to do something you shouldn't be doing?